No.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? You said, and you did the face. What happened? Once again, I'm Yannick.
You're Yannick.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is possibly the best time to announce, even though we probably do it on a live, I don't know, but we have decided that it's best for us to post our videos every Sunday. So our last video was posted on Thursday. This now post no time soon still. It's kind of weird, but yeah. We hope you can get accustomed to that, where we are posting our videos on Sundays. Videos, one of the reasons is because we're back to work, and we're back to work. That's actually the main thing.
That's all.
That's the main thing. So I'm not able to edit as much, even though these are not hard edits. I'm not able to edit as much as I was able to while we were on vacation. So we are gonna be, are you looking in that order? Yeah, so we're gonna be posting our videos every Sunday. We're gonna be trying to go places, but it's definitely not gonna be every week, because that take money unless y'all wanna donate some money to us. But yeah, we're gonna try to go at least every other week, go somewhere, dine, have some fun, dine or have some fun, or both, as well as the home reviews that we're trying to get into as well. So yeah, today is my birthday.
Yay!
That's why I'm kind of, you know, yeah, with soap, bathe with soap, and so it's my birthday. However, it wasn't like, I didn't even know I was getting this day off. I signed up the vacation as a joke, but apparently I got the day, so kudos to me. I'm off. There's no plan. She had something work related to do today, so she just got home. We went to get some stuff at CPJ, which I couldn't film just now, but whatever. Now we went
to somewhere to get something.
Oh, okay, so we went to CPJ to get some stuff. Now we are at a restaurant, and we're not necessarily here for me because I've been here before, but I've always wanted to bring Yannick here. So we're gonna get some food to eat, and I don't even know if this is gonna be a part of a restaurant review or anything, but let's see. Cool.
What you eating?
I don't know. I mean,
sushi.
Suppose then going to have ear pie.
Sushi. I don't know what's wrong with me.
You have anything you want to say?
I've been saying, stop asking. He loves asking me that. Like, he's taking lead of the video. I don't want.
Alright, yeah, so I take lead of these videos. The home reviews, all her. I'm just the cameraman in that situation. Sounds good, sounds good.
We're gonna flip that rule, guys.
We're not gonna flip that rule, because she's not gonna walk with the camera and the gimbal. That I know for sure. But thank you for tuning into our video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is Renoy.
And I'm Yannick.
She forgot that she's Yannick, and we'll be right back.
We are back.
Yes, we are back, and somebody's not really hungry because they just ate. I won't mention what they ate. Somebody just ate. Let us know in the comments which you prefer, lobster or shrimp, and why. I prefer lobster.
Why you prefer lobster?
I don't know if it's because it's bigger. It's not because it's bigger. I just prefer the taste of lobster compared to shrimp. Most times I eat shrimp, when I'm finished I kind of feel unfulfilled. I don't know. I just feel unfulfilled. Even if it's a whole heap of shrimp, I feel unfulfilled.
That makes
But with the
no
lobster,
sense.
okay, to me it makes sense. When I eat shrimp, I feel unfulfilled. But when I eat lobster, yeah man, that hits the spot. And right now, this is hitting the spot. Since we've gotten married, a lot of persons have been asking, how's married life? And not like, just playing around, how's married life? They're like, seriously, how's married life? And I always give them this blank stare like, what do you mean? Because, has anyone asked you? And what was your answer?
There's no difference. It's the same thing.
And
Like,
I'm not sure. Well, it's not the case that I'm not sure, because I know that a lot of people are of the mindset that once you're married, everything has to change. Whereas I'm of the mindset that if we are at a point where we think we're ready to get married, why does things have to change?
but things being what though?
How do I explain it? I don't know. I feel like they think that everything has to change. The way they treat the spouse, the way the spouse treat them, a bunch of things, and I'm like,
I mean, if anything, change is constant, right?
It
So we
is.
know that change is constant, and I believe, you're gonna adjust or you're gonna change a little bit because you're now fully dedicated to this man or this woman.
I was already fully dedicated to her.
Legally binded to this man or woman, and so certain things, decisions that you're making is no longer your own, as opposed to you being in the relationship with an individual, and some decisions you make on your own and then go and tell your spouse. You may get your spouse's opinion to begin with or not, but if you got their opinion and them say whatever, some persons would still go ahead and do what they need to do, and their reason justifies them going ahead and doing it, as opposed to being legally binded to someone where it just has to be, is that what you call a unanimous decision? So we both have to come to an agreement that this is what we're doing and this is how we need to do it, because it's no longer you and me. It's still you and me in some aspects, because we want to ensure that we are pouring into ourselves in every aspect of our lives, so as to pour into the other person, so I believe change is constant. Things will change, but the foundation, you're literally building on what already exists. That is my opinion.
Alright, so in regards to what you said just now about making decisions and whatever, and talking to the other person or talking to your husband or wife about it, does that apply to us?
What do you mean if it applies to us?
Does it apply to us? Because this is something that we've been doing before, long before we got married.
It does. It applies to again, this is my opinion. I still think it applies, and even if it's not something that, I'm pretty sure I've probably done some things or made certain decisions without you knowing or assuming. Some of them, to be honest though, because my memory would have talk about something and then me just see something that pass out a road and me turn back and, like, for the life of me, cannot remember what I was saying. Renai can attest to that, right? And the exact thing just happened because I don't remember what I was saying before. What was I saying before?
The main topic is, or the main point is, I personally don't think, as a matter of fact, I think a lot of marriages fail because persons are of the mindset that once they get married, everything has to change. And that causes relationships to fail. And it can, if you look into it, that can cause relationships to fail, because certain things that you were okay with, now that you're married, you think that the person who was that person all along is all of a sudden going to change because you're married. When no, it's the same person.
Yeah.
You just have to accept that is the person, and it's either you work with it, or, which most persons should do, you and the person have conversations on whatever is bothering you, whatever is bothering them, and see how best you both can work towards tweaking, or in some cases fixing, or in some cases there are some things, because everybody is different, there are some things about your partner that really and truly will never change, and some of them you just have to kind of just,
it's called compromise.
yeah, and you just sweep it under the rug and try your best to
don't I don't like the use of that term. Sweeping it under the rug.
Alright, when I say sweep it under the rug, I mean in regards to them doing something that you don't like. And instead of you making it a big deal and causing a lot of arguments all the time, try to adjust.
You just try not to have it trigger you.
Try to adjust.
Much. Yes, so it's
that's
not sweeping
precisely
it
what I mean by sweeping it under the rug.
Because my definition of that, no.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? You said, and you did the face. What happened? Is it good?
He's being mean.
Is it good? Here. Miss, I'm not hungry.
No.
Miss, I want to tell them what you do.
I want to pick it myself.
I want to tell them what you do.
Guys, I'm ashamed. We're not going to speak the deed.
I was just about to, but okay. But yeah.
We'll tell you another time when we don't feel so bad.
So yeah, weigh in on this for me. A question to you guys. Are you of the opinion that when you get married, things have to change? If yes, explain why.
What are some of the things, yeah?
If no, explain why. Yeah. I'm gonna finish enjoying this food. I want to do a time lapse of the sunset, but I don't have the tripod.
We'll have this long side. Anyways, bye guys.
Toodles!